Thank you all so much for coming today. I really appreciate it, particularly in this bad weather. I'm Kirk Dupes, and I'm here for a couple of reasons today. One reason is that I was blessed to have the opportunity to spend time with the Walmart team and get to know some of the dedicated and talented associates that care so much about their jobs and our community. And the second reason is I'm here as a very grateful grandparent of a grandson who at 3 years old was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia and was blessed to be treated and cured by the incredible staff at Arkansas Children's Hospital. I was visiting with Sue Redfield not long ago and talking to her husband Charles, and I was talking about here in the late 80s and early 90s what was going on in Northwest Arkansas. And I was telling him that it was incredibly difficult to attract new talent to this area because we didn't have any infrastructure. We had no highways, no interstate, we had no airport. The arts and culture were virtually non-existent. We had no convention center. We had nothing. All of that today that was a dream has become a reality, thanks to a lot of people like Gary George here and many of the others in this room that have contributed so much in Walmart. Today we've got almost everything here, almost everything. We've got the interstate. We've got great hospitals. We've got great doctors. We've got the airport. We've got crystal bridges. We've got everything. We've got the AMP. We've got the Walton Arts Center. We've got everything here. Except one little piece is really missing to keep this from being, I guess, one of the very best places in the world to raise a family and to raise children. And that part is having care really close to home. Expert pediatric care that we don't have in this area. And today, I'm proud to be a part of this celebration where we plug that last piece of the puzzle into having almost a utopian place to live and raise a family, and to thank Walmart and their relationship that's lasted 1/3 of a century with the Children's Hospital. 33 years Walmart's been involved with the Arkansas Children's Hospital, and we're here today to thank them so much for their contribution to make this last piece of the puzzle fit in, to make this a place that we're all so proud of. And to end this, Charles told me today they have just a problem at Walmart that's much worse than we had earlier, trying to be able to recruit people. They can't get people to leave Northwest Arkansas now to go open new countries and new territories and new areas. Well, this is going to make it even more difficult for you guys at Walmart to get your people to leave once we get this hospital built. To tell you more about bringing care close to home here in Northwest Arkansas, I'd like to introduce the President and CEO of the Arkansas Children's Hospital, Marcy Doder.
It is an exciting day for Arkansas Children's Hospital, but more exciting for really the region of Northwest Arkansas and what we can do for over 200,000 kids who live in this region. Thank you for being here today, and thank you for being part of our story. I'd say it is truly a historic day. The care of kids in this part of our state will be forever transformed as we build Arkansas Children's Northwest. Let me be clear. Our vision is truly to fundamentally transform children's health care in Northwest Arkansas and across the state. It's one thing to provide care that gets them better today. That's what we do every day at Arkansas Children's Hospital, and I would say we do it really well. But we have to go even farther. It's our responsibility to figure out how we create a wellness destination for children in Northwest Arkansas and their families, how we help to make kids healthier tomorrow, not just better today. And every aspect of our construction program and our plan and the design of what we're doing up here is for that dual goal, better today and healthier tomorrow. Providing care close to home in Northwest Arkansas starts with the construction of a state-of-the-art pediatric hospital campus. It's just across the street from here. It's a bold step, it's an expensive one, but it's so important. The hospital is slated to open in January of 2018, and Arkansas Children's Northwest will ensure pediatric care is provided close to home for more than 200,000 children and their families in this region. Today we come together to celebrate that long-standing relationship and partnership between Walmart and the Walmart Foundation and Arkansas Children's Hospital. Since 1983, Walmart has been a valued partner, to Arkansas Children's through its annual in-store campaign in conjunction with the Children's Miracle Network hospitals. Walmart and Sam's Club associates have raised more than $1 million every year in support of the people and the programs and the places that make up Arkansas Children's. I'd like to be joined now by Kathleen McLaughlin, the Chief Sustainability Officer at Walmart and President of the Walmart Foundation. Will you join me, Kathleen? Thank you. You know, Kathleen, on behalf of all of the patients and the families who will be served by Arkansas Children's Northwest, welcome here and thank you so much. I want to thank you and the Walmart as a corporation, the Walmart Foundation for partnering with us. I think, if I understand this correctly, this is perhaps the biggest gift that Walmart has made to children's health care. Is that true?
That is true, absolutely. Yes, and I'm going to save the full amount for a minute. We'll do the big reveal. But it is, and you know, the reason this is so important to us because we have as a real priority at Walmart and the Foundation strengthening the communities where we live and work. And there's 10,000 of them around the world now, if you add up all of our stores. And our home office is a really important community to us. And we've had a strategy for the last few years through the Walmart Foundation locally to improve health access. And we do that through a variety of ways, supporting a variety of institutions. Well, what could be more important than helping children in this region? So, you know, this is our home. Obviously, we have many, many, many associates here and our families. And as we were just talking about a minute ago, being able to provide care for our own children. But there are 200,000 children in this community. And we think that it's critical to allow them to have a place close to home for their needs, in addition to the great facilities you folks have a little bit further south. So for us to support this was a real priority. And we think it is going to be transformational for the region to have first-class pediatric care in a dedicated facility available for the kids in this region.
You know, we would also call it an important part to improving quality of life, having a children's health hospital close to home. And as Kurt mentioned, there are terrific hospitals already here, an amazing group of physicians serving families in this part of the state. But it does lack the unique services that only a children's hospital can really bring to the table because we are very different. When we think about the number of kids we're already serving, over 50,000 Northwest Arkansas children are already touched by our programs and our clinics in Lowell and come to the Arkansas Children's Hospital campus in Little Rock every year. And so if we can figure out a way to alleviate the travel, if we can figure out a way to alleviate the strain that kind of travel for medical care puts on families and employers and a whole community, we think we can contribute to improving the community's quality of life. Because we also know that when you remove travel barriers and those financial barriers for children, that overall health of those children improves. And I think that's what Arkansas Children's Northwest will absolutely bring to this region as we come forward. So I think if you can put a place here and save the family time and energy and the money of travel, we will have a better place for kids in this part of our state.
Absolutely, and that's key to helping everyone live better. So we couldn't be more excited about this.
So what if we make the big announcement?
Yes, let's
Should
do
we
it. Let's
reveal?
do it. Let's call some
We have
kids
some
up.
guests.
We have some
Yes.
guests, some helpers.
We want to thank everyone here for coming today and being part of this amazing announcement. Our journey to transform healthcare for kids has really just begun across the entire state of Arkansas. And a partnership with Walmart and the Walmart Foundation makes it really a viable solution for the families here in Northwest Arkansas. So we look forward to the next 18, 20 months of building and then decades of care for kids as we transform not just the health of kids, but the wellness of families across our state. So thank you for being here. Thank you for celebrating an $8 million gift, a historic moment for us, and help us to celebrate our plans and our property as we move forward in the next few months. Thank you.
Yay, thanks guys.